Danny Shay. A couple of months ago, I did a video from one of my guides, Angel Abigail. And I was chatting it up with her. We do that, just sit around chatting it up. And she thought it might be a good idea to have a little walk on the beach. So I did. I videoed it, pulled the card, and well, here it is. Hope you like it. Abigail, I just wanted to thank you so much. So here I am walking in the beach, and those are snowy plovers, if you can see them. And whoa, I'm gonna get wet. I guess it's high tide. I pulled one card right away, shuffling in after that, and I got, I don't know if you can see that, perception. You can almost say it was perfection, but it depends on your perception. Let's turn this sideways so you can see. Oh, look at that. Maybe I should start off with that.
अब साई हवा सच्चे दा सच्चा डोआ अब साई हवा सच्चे दा सच्चा डोआ अब साई हवा सच्चे दा सच्चा डोआ अब साई हवा सच्चे दा सच्चा गाते शब्द सुबह के, गाते शब्द सुबह के।